Hey everybody, it's Neil. Check out what I have here. I have a wireless HDMI transmitter receiver kit. So we're gonna go ahead and check this thing out. It says it will make your things wireless. Okay, so this is it here. So these are the two devices. One is a receiver and one is a transmitter. I'm gonna guess this is the transmitter because I'll plug that one into like my iPad or something. And then this one here will be the receiver because it has an HDMI section on it. And look at here, it comes with an HDMI cable. So we can go, it's a very short cable, but we have HDMI. So this will go in here onto the device, and I'm sure it's gonna need power somehow. There's prep right there, an HDMI, or not an HDMI, a USB-C cable. And it comes with the USB-C cable right here. So it looks like it's USB to USB-C, so that's how it's gonna get its power. So I can plug both of these into my TV, and then I can transmit from like my iPad or something to it. So let's go ahead and give this thing a try and see. Let's see if I can plug it in. Oh, my TV I don't think it's on a swivel. I'm gonna have to reach. Okay. Ooh, it's far back there. Okay. Let's see what we can do here. Not so easy. Get it in there. Okay, there's power. Now, the device. Okay, I plugged it in the back in there, and now what I want to do is change to HDMI. I think it's HDMI 1. Let me see. HDMI 1. Okay, and this is what it looks like here. So now let's try to make it transmit something here. So I'm going to put it into my iPad, and we'll see what we get here. It lit up, so it seems like it's there. Now we can just unlock it, and it'll say okay, so insert the device. Oh, insert the device, automatic connection. Oh, so it's up, and there it is. Look at that. It's automatically connected. And then if I change it, oh, look at that. It'll change the landscape in that. So then I can go into like YouTube. Wow, how cool is this? That was about the easiest thing. This video is not even 3 minutes long, and I've got it working. I mean, this is so simple. After I do it the next time, it'll be even easier. So here we go. I can just look at different things here. I can see whatever. I can look at a video. Ah, and that looks really nice. This isn't my video, it's somebody else's, but the quality is amazing. It comes out as good as it could be. It's funny, he's got the same kind of watch band I do, and I have that same camera. But that's probably, I guess that was why it's the suggested one. But look at that, how cool is that? So now it's just projecting from here to there, and I can do different things here, I guess, and switch out of it. So that is really cool. So I'm gonna say, this is super easy and great. So if you need one of these, man, and it's just super small, just super simple to carry, stick it in your bag. If you're ever going to go and give a presentation somewhere, you can bring your own thing there instead of relying on somebody else's one there. I'm sure I could plug this into my computer, my phone, whatever else, and it'll just transmit as well as it was. It even gave some other directions you can install an app. I didn't install anything, it just worked. So very cool, thumbs up, awesome.